rip off that rain trough. It's literally driving west to get in position for Nebraska tomorrow. We got a random tornado warning that popped back up. Got the 14mm lens back on. Crazy thing. That's a hail core all in there. Hail core on that thing. Got a lot of rain bands going right into this thing. Shoot. As far as I can go, that's the hail core. Holy smokes, these rain bands. This could be part of the tornado, these rain bands going into this storm right here. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh yeah, this is sus.